Prove that Nepal 2015 EAS alarm is fake. Hi, I'm Valeri, V, from Alphabet Lore. Back on This Is Not Felicia. And today, we are going to debunk this Nepal 2015 EAS alarm. Anyways, let's start. Here is the audio. Warning, this dumb alarm will be loud, so lower your volume. I mean, what is the Wubbox from My Singing Monsters doing here? Why is it jamming out in a supposed EAS alarm? If you don't know what is the Wubbox from MSM, it's a robot that makes sounds like this. You hear that? It was one of the sounds of the alarm. I think that the creator of this alarm lost a brain cell and added the Wubbox sound on purpose. That is the end of this video. I don't know what to say. So bye.